Hello, my friends. Today, let's talk about something that can truly transform your life, something so simple yet so powerful that, once understood, it can change how you manifest everything you desire. This isn't about working harder, chasing endlessly, or waiting for the right moment. It's about unlocking a secret that has been right within you all along. If you knew this, you would manifest faster than you ever thought possible. The key to manifestation lies in understanding the relationship between your imagination and your reality. Most people think manifestation is about effort, about doing, striving, and pushing to make things happen. But what if I told you that it's not about effort at all? Manifestation begins with a thought, but more than that, it begins with the feeling that accompanies that thought. You see, the world outside you is merely a reflection of what you hold inside. If you continue to believe that things happen to you, rather than through you, you remain stuck in a loop of frustration. Here's the secret: you must embody the state of the wish fulfilled. Don't just think about your desire, live from it. Feel the joy, the excitement, and the peace that comes from already having it. When you do this, you align yourself with the reality you want to experience. Let me make it simple for you. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine the thing you desire most right now. Maybe it's a loving relationship, financial abundance, or vibrant health. Whatever it is, see it clearly in your mind. But don't stop there. Now, feel it. Imagine how your life would change if it were already yours. What would your mornings feel like? How would you carry yourself? This feeling, this inner conviction, is the creative force that brings your desires to life. The mistake many people make is trying to manifest from a place of lack. They think, I want more money because I don't have enough, or I need love because I feel lonely. But focusing on the absence of something only magnifies that absence. Instead, shift your focus to gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful state of being because it acknowledges that what you desire is already present. Even if it hasn't physically shown up yet, gratitude confirms that it's on its way. Another essential part of manifesting faster is detachment. This doesn't mean you stop caring about what you want. It means you trust the process so deeply that you don't obsess over the how or when. When you plant a seed in the ground, you don't dig it up every day to check if it's growing. You trust that nature will take its course. Manifestation works the same way. Once you've set your intention and felt it as real, let it go and allow the universe to work on your behalf. There's also something profound about repetition. Repetition creates belief, and belief shapes your reality. This is why affirmations, visualization, and mental rehearsals are so powerful. When you repeatedly imagine yourself as the person who already has what you desire, you reprogram your mind and body to align with that version of you. Your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between what is real and what is vividly imagined. It simply accepts whatever you consistently feed it. One of the most overlooked aspects of manifestation is self-concept. Who do you believe you are? If you see yourself as someone who struggles, who has to work twice as hard as everyone else to achieve the same result, that belief will shape your life. But if you change your concept of yourself, if you see yourself as worthy, capable, and abundant, everything around you will begin to shift. Manifestation isn't about changing the world, it's about changing how you see yourself. Now, let's address something crucial: patience. People often give up just before their manifestation is about to unfold. They say, I've been visualizing, affirming, and feeling it, but nothing is happening. What they don't realize is that the moment you doubt, you disrupt the flow. The timing is not your concern. Your only job is to stay faithful to the feeling of the wish fulfilled. The rest will take care of itself. Let me tell you, the secret isn't hidden in some far-off place. It's in your ability to persist in your assumption. Assume that you are already the person you want to be. Walk, talk, and think as if it were true. This doesn't mean pretending or acting. It means genuinely stepping into the feeling of your desired state. When you do this, the world will bend to match your assumption. And don't underestimate the power of imagination. Many people dismiss it as childish or irrelevant, but imagination is the workshop where reality is created. If you can see it and feel it in your imagination, it is real. The world of imagination is the real world, and what you imagine today becomes your reality tomorrow. Another thing to remember is that resistance can slow down manifestation. Resistance shows up as doubt, fear, or limiting beliefs. Pay attention to the stories you tell yourself. Are they empowering or disempowering? If you find yourself doubting, remind yourself of this truth: you are the operant power in your life. Nothing has power over you unless you give it power. Let's consider the role of persistence in your ability to manifest faster. Persistence isn't about effort, it's about consistency. It's the quiet, unwavering belief that what you desire is already a part of your life. Think about this: everything in nature demonstrates persistence. A river doesn't carve through rock by force but by flowing steadily over time. Similarly, your thoughts and beliefs act like that river. By consistently aligning your inner state with what you want, you create an unstoppable force that shapes the outer world to match your inner conviction. When you persist, you may encounter moments that test your faith. These moments are not obstacles, they're opportunities to strengthen your belief. For instance, when circumstances seem to contradict your desire, don't give in to doubt. Instead, reaffirm your vision. Say to yourself, "This is temporary. The truth of my imagination is greater than the evidence before me." By staying grounded in this mindset, you remain in control of your reality. Another powerful way to manifest faster is through inspired action. This is not about forcing outcomes but rather aligning with the flow of opportunities that naturally arise when you are in the state of the wish fulfilled. Inspired actions feel effortless. They're those moments when you feel nudged to take a step, make a call, or follow an idea. Trust these instincts, they're the bridge between your inner vision and its outer expression. Moreover, aligning your energy is crucial. Your thoughts and feelings emit a vibration, and this vibration determines what you attract. If you're feeling stressed, anxious, or doubtful, you lower your vibration. To manifest faster, focus on elevating your emotional state. Surround yourself with uplifting experiences, people, and practices that keep your energy aligned with joy, love, and gratitude. Your vibration is the signal you send to the universe, and it responds in kind. Let's not overlook the importance of clarity. You must know what you want, not in vague terms but with crystal clear specificity. If you send mixed signals, one moment desiring something and the next doubting it, the process slows. Be precise about your desires. Write them down. Speak them aloud. Meditate on them. When you know exactly what you want, you become a beacon for those possibilities. Now, understand that manifesting faster doesn't mean rushing or forcing things. It's about aligning so deeply with your desire that it flows to you effortlessly. When you feel whole, complete, and abundant within, the outside world mirrors that back to you. So, instead of chasing your desires, let them come to you. Take this moment right now to decide who you want to be. Don't wait for permission, circumstances, or signs. You already have everything you need within you. All you have to do is believe it, feel it, and live from it. Your manifestations are not somewhere out there, they are waiting for you to claim them. Go ahead and step into your power. You'll be amazed at how quickly life begins to respond to the changes you make within. The secret has always been simple: you create your world by the feelings you hold and the assumptions you maintain. Manifestation isn't about luck or chance. It's about knowing, with unwavering certainty, that what you desire is already yours. And when you truly know this, nothing can stop it from becoming your reality. As we bring this conversation to a close, think about how you can start applying these principles in your life today. The key is to keep it simple. Begin by choosing one thing you truly desire and give your whole heart and mind to it. Cultivate the feeling of already having it. Live in the awareness that your reality is shaped by your inner world. Every thought, every belief, and every feeling you hold is a thread weaving the fabric of your life. If this message has resonated with you, I encourage you to take a moment to reflect on its significance. Think about the power you hold within to shape your experiences. The journey of manifestation is not about achieving something outside of yourself but about aligning with the truth that you already have it all within you. Now, let's ensure this message reaches as many people as possible. If you found this helpful, I invite you to show your support in 5 simple ways. Hit the like button below, it's a small action that makes a big difference. Share this video with someone who could benefit from hearing these insights. Leave a comment and let us know what you're manifesting, it's always inspiring to see the visions others are creating. Subscribe to this channel to stay connected to more wisdom that empowers your life. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss another transformative discussion. Thank you for being here, for listening, and for investing in your growth. This is just the beginning of what's possible when you align with your creative power. Stay inspired, stay focused, and keep manifesting the life you truly deserve.